Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your email in Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. First of all, just simply open any of your browser, and after opening the browser, simply open this link of slack.com/account/setting. And after opening this link, this page will open up. You just simply have to click into this expand button besides your email address. Just simply tap into that expand and then just simply enter your current password into this box. Then enter the new email address for your account into second box. Then after that, click to this update email address button. Then your email into Slack will successfully be changed. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your email address into your Slack account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.